Now, 90% of the warm leads who land on calendar pages just don't book right now. But if you give me about 4 minutes, I'll show you how our hot 7 sequence of ads that we use can recapture your warm leads and then move them to take action without being pushy or spending thousands on ads. Now, I've actually put together a hot 7 retargeting blueprint that walks you through how to set all of this up step by step. And if you want it, just drop the word hot in the comments below and I'm happy to send this over to you. Hello, I'm Tina Sandford and I am the founder of tinasandford.com. Now, since 2020, I've actually specialised in advertising for businesses worldwide, and I have been focusing on highly effective low-cost video ads. Now, I did retire back in 2010, but now I'm here to help you to leverage video ads to grow your business, and more importantly, to free up your time. Now, one of the biggest mistakes I see business owners taking right now is they're assuming that if someone doesn't book a call right away, that they're actually not interested, but that is not true, okay? Most marketers understand that leads need about 12 different touch points, or more actually, before they even take action at the moment. But so can you think about this? If you are not staying in front of them, it's very likely they're going to forget about you and move on to someone who is staying in front of them. Does that make sense? Now, most lead generation strategies actually suggest sending more emails and hoping the warm leads will respond. Or they change nothing to the expensive sales ads and just keep targeting the same cold audiences over and over and over again. But here's the problem with that. Now, if somebody didn't take action the first time, it's extremely likely they're going to do it just because your ad showed up to them again and again, okay? In fact, people get bored of that. So people actually need different information from you to actually address their hesitations and their concerns. So instead of throwing more money at the same ads all the time, our hot 7 sequence is a set of either $1, £1 ads per day, and they're retargeting ads that actually remind you on leads to take the next step while also handling the different objections or reasons for why they didn't take you up on the offer on the first time, okay? I'll show you how this process works quick. First, you're going to run 7 different retargeting ads instead of 1 ad on repeat. And this will be a mixture, okay? You've got a mixture of testimonials, frequently asked questions, behind the scenes. You're going to put in value posts, and you're also going to put in some direct offer ads mixed in with this. Now, each individual ad plays a different role in building trust and also reducing your objections that are there. Okay, now the second thing is these ads are only shown to your warm leads. This is essential, okay? They only go to those people who've already engaged with your ad, okay? Whether it was that they clicked on a video that you had out there, or maybe they actually visited your website, that's another one, or perhaps they clicked on a previous offer ad you had out, okay, to a cold audience. And what happens is with a warm audience, it actually keeps your costs low, but at the same time, your ad results remain high, especially over time, because obviously people take different time to decide to actually book in a call or buy a thing. Now, the third thing is this strategy is about guiding. It's not about actually selling at people, because these particular ads, they don't push for a sale immediately. They actually nudge your leads towards the next logical step for them. Like it could be for booking a call, or it could be attending a workshop you've got where you can actually take them on as a client. You know your sales process, and this is what your whole ad strategy will be built around. But this works because it actually follows how people actually make buying decisions. So instead of seeing you just once and then forgetting about you, your leads are going to see you in many different ways. Okay, they're going to keep seeing you in your feed, which builds that trust and familiarity. Okay, and it's going to make them far more likely to take the action when they are ready. Now, if you want to set this up today, I've actually put together a hot 7 retargeting blueprint, and this will walk you through it all step by step, making it so easy, okay? So if you want this, drop the word hot in the comments below and I can send this over to you. Now, with this guide though, yeah, you could have all 7 ad types mapped out. So you could actually start running the sequence immediately if you got on with that. And then from it, you'd actually start booking in more calls from your warm leads without increasing your ad spend.